Naawar ang bata, guys. Oh. Gikit-kit na niya yung cake. Hala. Hala, naunsa. Anak ko! Hala, wala. Nabuang nga ng bataan. Ayan, tapos may cake pa, guys. Oh, so cute, no? Ayan. Ayan, oh, I love Paris. Tapos yung A pa, guys, may Eiffel Tower yung ginamit niya na A. Oh, diba? Cute, guys, no? Mas cute pa yan, guys, pag nalagay na yung belt. Kaya lang ayaw yung nilagay. Hi, guys! Good evening! Uy, huwag mag-iyak-iyak na. Nag-open pa tayo ng ating vlog. Welcome back to our channel, guys. It is, what day is it? Today, na. It is Wednesday afternoon, guys. Tapos, actually, gabi na siya, guys. Kasi it's nearly 7 o'clock. Tapos, hindi pa ako nakabihis, guys. Oo, nakapang-work pa ako na damit, guys. Kasi nung pag-uwi namin, pinadidi ko si Paris, guys. Nakatulog siya. Kaya tingnan nyo, oh. Very suki-suki pa siya kasi nakatulog man siya, guys. Nagmanya na dayon siya. Nakba? What are you eating? Bulingit na, guys. Guys, oh, kumain ng chocolate. Pero, guys, tinan nyo, guys, oh, yung gamit ko na glasses, guys. Ito yung bagong glasses ko, guys. What do you think? Okay lang ba siya, guys? Ito yung ginamit ko sa work today, guys. And, I'm slowly getting used to it. Oh, wadidi. So, ang gagawin namin ngayon, guys, is... Where's your baby na? Ang gagawin namin ngayon, guys, is aalis kami. Si daddy nga, guys, nakatulog din. Pero ginising ko kasi tonight, pipick upin namin yung guys, yung cookies na pinagawa ko para sa birthday ni Paris. Suki na suki siya, guys. Didi. Ay, Didi. Nag-Didi naman ka ganina, anak. Na. Guys, nagtigil na siyang umiyak, guys. Oh. Tingnan niyo siya, guys. Ayan, nakatulog kasi siya, guys. Kaya, yung mood niya, guys. Oh. Ito yung suot niya today sa childcare. Yay! Very dirty na siya, guys. Kasi kumain ng chocolate. Yan si daddy, guys. Ah.
Where's the baby's at?
Huh? Is it in the car?
No.
No.
That's it.
Okay, we'll go outside. We'll go outside. Come on, let's go. Bring your keys, daddy. Come on, sweetie.
Keys?
Because we don't have keys for this. That's the keys. That's right. But this is for the car, honey. Mama's talking about the house key. So, alis na kami, guys. Kasi, pala, guys, it's 20 minutes away from here. Oh, where's my phone? Oh, very mahangin sa labas. Let's go. Who's that? Daddy. That's not Daddy. Moon. This. Now, do you want to check the mailbox? See if we have mail? Yeah. Andun yung sasakyan ko, guys. So, hindi ko pinasok ng garage kasi alam kong aalis din kami. Yay! See, guys, alam niya, guys. Check. Oh, that's not ours. Check the other one. The other one is ours. Yep. Nothing. Come on now, let's go to the car. Let's go. We don't have anything. Oh, come on. Hi guys. So, kakauwi lang namin, guys. Time check. It's already 9 o'clock at night. Ako, guys, after namin pinick up yung guys, yung tawag dito. After namin pinick up yung cookies tsaka cake, guys. Pumunta kami ng ng Woolworths kasi nag-grocery shopping na naman kami, guys. Yun yung sabi ko, guys, diba last time sa video ko. Parang wala talaga kaming set na this day, grocery shopping, ganyan. Hindi, guys. Pag feel lang namin na kailangan namin bumili ng mga pagkain or anything, pupunta kami, guys, nag-grocery shop kami. Kaya ngayon, very late na kami nakauwi. Tapos ngayon pa ako magluluto, guys. Tapos ang gustong lutuin ni Daddy, guys, yung rump steak kasi nga dapat sana gagawin ko tong beef curry. Kaya lang guys, very late na. Kaya hindi ko na gagawin. Ano ko na lang yung parang steak lang ba guys. Yun lang yung gagawin ko. Tapos guys, nandito na yung yung cookies tsaka cake. Pakita ko sa inyo mamaya guys. Just give me a second guys ha. Kasi mainit na yung natin guys. Yung kalha natin guys. Baka masunog guys ba. So guys, pakita ko sa inyo yung cake. Ayan, oh. Honey girl. Uy, don't take that out, nak. Ayaw, nak. Hala, di unsa na niya ang cake. Don't take that out, baby girl. Not yet, again. Hala, nagpikit-pikit na siyang kamot. Nawa na. You can't eat the cake yet. Hmm? Just hold, okay? Awar ang bata guys. Gikit-kit na niya yung cake. Hala. Hala, naunsa. Anak ko. Hala, wala. Nabuang nga ng bataan. So, hi guys. So, nandito kami ngayon sa room, guys, kasi gusto kong ipakita sa inyo ng mabuti yung yung mga cookies ba. Ang kasi guys, dilim dun sa sa lounge room. So, dito sa beauty room ko, guys, kasi may vanity lights nga ako, guys. Very bright siya. So, ito yung cookies, guys. Pakita ko sa inyo. Ayan, guys, oh. Oh, diba? Super cute, guys, no? Kasi ito talaga yung in-order ko, guys. Nag-request talaga ako na parang may Paris ba na theme. So, ito yung ginawa niya, guys. Ayan, may Eiffel Tower. Ito rin, guys, may Eiffel Tower. Tapos, may dito sa taas, may heart, guys, sa taas. Tapos, every cookies, guys, may number 2. Kasi nga, diba, 2 years old si Paris bukas, guys. Ayan, tapos, may cake pa, guys. Oh, so cute, no? Ayan. Ayan, oh, I love Paris. Tapos yung A pa, guys, may may Eiffel Tower yung ginamit niya na A. Oh, what happened, sweetie? Tapos ito, guys, oh, super cute din. Very, very stylish. Ayan, number 2. Ayan, oh la la. Ayan, oh. So guys, marami siyang guys, different style siya. Tapos yung in-order ko guys, 20 pieces. Hindi yata straight yung camera natin, guys. Ayan. So yung in-order ko guys, 20 pieces. Kasi in-order ko talaga to siya guys para sa childcare ni Paris. So yung mga kaibigan niya ba guys, yung mga kasamahan niya sa childcare. So sa room naman nila guys, the explorers, mga lang naman sila guys. I think 8 sila. So, yung iba na lang, ikikip ko na lang para sa ngayong Sunday. Kasi ngayong Sunday, yung namin, yung ipagdiwang talaga namin yung birthday ni Paris. So, yung 10 guys, dadalhin ko bukas sa childcare niya pag dinrap ko si Paris. Para sa mga friendship niya, guys. But yeah, how cute are these guys? Diba? So cute, guys. Ayan, guys. Oh, may airplane pa, guys. May Australia dito, guys. Oh, Philippines dyan. Tapos, may number 2. Super cute, guys. I really like it. So, itong, guys, itong cookies na to, guys, it is $4 each. Kasi nung nag-ask ako at first, sabi ko, kasi nag-send ako ng picture na gusto ko na ganito. So, kinote na niya ako, guys. So, $4 each. So, kasi in-order ko 20 pieces. Yung nabayaran ko, guys, $80 for all these cookies, guys. Which is, yeah, I think very worth it naman siya, guys. Kasi, tingnan nyo naman, guys. Oh, yung work na ginawa niya dito, guys. Super nice. Tapos, guys, nakita nyo na yung cake before. It was very small, right? And it was very plain. I'll tell you the story, guys, why it was like that. It's because, nung nag-order ako, guys, ng cookies last week, tsaka cake, nakalimutan ko, guys, sa sobrang excitement ko, guys, kasi nga, magto 2 years old na ang baby ko, guys. Nakalimutan ko na, sa Sunday pa pala kami guys, yung bang may handaan. I-close ko muna yung door, guys. Kaya nagpa-TV si Daddy. Saba. May, sa Sunday pa pala yung handaan, guys. So, dahil nga sa excitement ka ng lola nyo, guys, nag-order ng cake in advance. Tapos, last night, nung nasa bed na kami, nag-usap kami ni Daddy. Sabi ko, we go pick up the cookies and the cake tomorrow. Tapos sabi niya, why did you order the cake? Tapos, tsaka ko na na-realize, guys, bakit ko nga ba in-order yung cake? Yung Sunday pa yun, guys. Anong mangyayari sa cake? Magahi ng cake, guys. Do you wanna go out, honey?
Okay.
Okay, no worries. And then we'll go to bed soon, okay? Daddy? Where are you going? Sorry guys, lumabas si parisyang ko. Tapos ngayon nga, yun yung nangyari. Tapos, ano na guys, malapit nang mag-midnight last night, nag-usap-usap kami ni Daddy. Minessage ko yung guys, yung babae. Sabi ko, I'm so sorry. I don't know if you've made the cake as yet. But I just realized na hindi ko pala kailangan yung cake ngayon. Bukas, kailangan ko sa sa Saturday afternoon kasi pang Sunday. Tapos sabi niya, nagawa na niya yung cake, guys. Pero wala pang mga decoration kasi yung inask ko na na decoration sa cake, guys, is Peppa Pig kasi nga 'di ba? Like ni Paris yung Peppa Pig. Yun yung inask ko na na decoration para sa cake. Tapos guys, yung niya, inask niya ako kung ilang servings ang gusto ko. So sabi ko, maybe mga 12 servings lang, ganun. Kasi wala namang maraming tao, guys. Hindi naman en grande yung birthday, guys. Yung family lang ni Mike yung pupunta dito. Tapos ilang kaibigan. Yun nga. Tapos, sinabihan niya ako, guys, yung cost ng cake sana $110 yung cake na 12 servings. Tapos, chocolate siya, guys, yung pinakita ko kanina. Tapos, may mga Peppa Pig na mga design. So, yun nga, guys, sabi niya, oh, okay, nagawa na daw niya yung cake. Sabi niya, it's okay, I'll just leave it. Tapos, sa Saturday na lang daw niya ilagay yung mga yung finishing ba ng cake. Tapos, sabi ko, oh, okay, that's fine. Because I thought it's gonna be okay. Tapos, sabi ko, oh, okay, that's good. We'll pick up the cookies tomorrow night. And then, sa Sunday night na yung cake. Tapos, kaninang umaga, guys, tinawagan niya ako. Sabi niya, hi, Jovi, I'm very sorry, but inisip daw niya talaga, guys. Ayaw niya ibenta sa akin yung cake na binake niya 5 days beforehand. Which I understand naman, guys. Totally understand because I know it was my mistake. Ako yung nag-order, guys. Hindi ko pa kailangan. There you go. Okay. Hindi ko pa kailangan, guys. Kaya yun, sabi niya, na lang daw, sabi niya, what if you'll just take the cake, yung base na ginawa niya. Sabi niya, I only charge you the ingredients, which is $30 yung sa yung cake na nakita nyo kanina, guys. Sabi niya, tapos, if you want another cake, the Peppa Pig cake, which cost $110, guys, she said, just let me know and I'll bake it on Saturday para ma-pick up nyo sa gabi. Tapos, sinawagan ko sa Daddy, guys, sabi ko, what do you think? Kasi nga, diba, sabi nga namin before, diba, we have to be practical na, hindi pa naman masyadong ma-appreciate ni Paris ngayon, guys, yung cake niya or anything like that. Kasi nga, hindi pa niya, wala pa sa memory niya yan, guys. Pagdating niya ng, paglaki niya, guys, I don't think ma-remember niya ang cake niya when she's 2 years old. Kaya, pero sabi ko before, no, I really want to get her Peppa Pig cake. But this happened now, guys. So, yun, tinawagan ko siya ulit, yung babae. Sabi ko, it's okay, that's fine. We'll just pick up the cookies tonight. Tapos, yung cake, kukunin ko na rin. Kahit yung yung ginawa na lang niya. Kasi, very nice of her naman, guys. Kasi, I understand na kailangan niyang i-keep yung reputation niya ba, guys, na baka naman kasi, the same cake yung niya. Tapos, pipick upin ko ng Saturday. Baka may magkasakit, guys, pag kinain yung cake. Kasi nga, diba, ilang days na. So, yeah, I think it was actually a great idea, guys, na pick upin na lang yung cake. Tapos, ngayon, guys, yung cake, kaya ganun yung cake namin, guys. So, So, yung gagawin ko sa cake, maybe I'll take it to work tomorrow. Or maybe, I don't know if it's still okay, guys. Ilagay ko sa fridge for the weekend. Kasi ano pa ngayon, guys? Tuesday night. Ewan ko, guys, kung okay pa kaya yan. I'm not too sure. Pero, guys, wala na akong magagawa, guys, kasi andyan na eh. So, kakainin na lang namin yan, guys. Tapos, yung gagawin ko, guys, hindi na ako order ulit ng Peppa Pig na cake, guys. I'll just go to Charleston Shopping Center kasi may mga magandang bakery naman sila dun, guys, na they can do very cute, very nice cake for less than $110, guys. Kaya, yun yung gagawin ko. Maybe Saturday afternoon, bibili ako ng cake dun, guys, sa Charleston. So, yun da. Kaya yun nangyari, guys. Yun yung story. Very excited kasi si ate nyo, guys. Kaya yun. Yun nangyari. But, other than that, I'm very happy with my cookies. Tingnan nyo, guys. So, super like the cookies. Black, pink, white. Ayan. Diba, guys? So, yun nga, guys. Bukas, dadalhin ko yan sa childcare. Para sa mga friendship ni Paris, guys. So, I still can't believe, guys, na yun nga, magto 2 years old na yung baby ko bukas, guys. Sabi ko nga, parang kailan lang, guys, na parang buntis ako. Tapos pinanganak ko siya, guys. Tapos ngayon, magto 2 years old na siya. Kinakausap na niya ako, guys. Tapos, yesterday, guys, nag-I love you na siya ngayon, guys. Like, it's very, napaiyak talaga ako kahapon, guys. Kasi sabi ko sa kanya, palagi namin yan siyang sinasabihan ng I love you. Tapos sabi niya kahapon, guys, why you, mommy? And it was just, I don't know, it melted my heart, guys. Hindi ko akalain, guys, na magto 2 years old na siya bukas, oh my God. But anyways, you can't stop time, guys. Kaya what you can do is just cherish every moment. Tapos, yeah, be there for her every step of the way, guys, para sulit yung moments, guys. Kasi, by the time na guys, you will never notice, guys, na, mag-move out na yan siya, guys. Kasi, yung bang independent na siya, guys. Maghahanap na siya ng trabaho niya, and she'll leave me. I don't actually want to think those things yet, guys, kasi alam kong darating din, guys, but I wanna take it like slowly, kasi wag mo na mag fast forward, guys, kasi I wanna keep my baby forever. But anyways, guys, ito yung suot ko pala today, guys. Hindi pa ako 9 o'clock na, guys, hindi pa ako nakapagbihis, guys, kasi nga, diba, kakarating lang namin, nagluto ng hapunan, tapos ito ngayon, dali-dali na nga ako ngayon, guys, kasi kailangan ko pang i-ready si Paris for bed. Pero alam nyo, guys, I really like this dress, guys. Kasi, I had this dress for so long na, like, 3.5 or 4 years, this dress. Tingnan nyo, guys, hindi ko bigay sa Pilipinas o hindi ko ma-dispose, guys. Yes, honey, what's that? Look! Kasi favorite ko talaga siya, guys. I really like the print. Navy blue at saka cream na Yung kukukita niyo. Guys, pasensya na kayo sa mga box ito, guys, ha? Kasi nagpapak pa ako natin guys, nating balikbayan. Ayan, guys, oh. No, I really like this dress. Dali na. Who's that? Oh! Who's that? Oh! Hello! It's my birthday tomorrow. Sabihin mo na. It's my birthday tomorrow. I'm 2 tomorrow. Yan, guys. I really like this dress. Anyways. Tapos, guys, before natin i-end yung video, pakita ko sa inyo yung guys. Natanggap ko sa mail today. Kasi si ate niyo nag-shop online. Matagal na to, guys. Kaya nga lang. Dahil nga, diba, sa coronavirus na ganyan-ganyan, guys, na-delay yung mga shipment. From everywhere. Yes, anak. What are you doing? Where's your shoes? Get your shoes. Kaya, guys, ito yung dumating kanina, guys. Pakita ko sa inyo. Super cute. Tinry ko kay Paris, guys. And it really suits her. I'm so happy. Tingnan nyo, guys. Oh. Super cute. Tapos, guys, oh, diba? Ayan. Ipatry natin kay Paris, guys, para makita nyo. Tingnan nyo. May belt pang ganito, guys. Super cute na. Dito dali nakabit. Kaya ito i-model yung kape. Sapatos-sapatos na siya, guys. But, tingnan nyo, guys. Oh. Ganda guys, no. I bought it online guys. Nakalimutan ko na magkano guys, but it wasn't expensive, which is good. Paris, you like this dress, no? You like this dress? B. Tingnan natin guys, ha? Oh. There you go. Other one? Wow.
Daddy tried the cake.
Did you? Is it nice?
Wow, quite nice.
Very nice.
I had a slice.
Good job, Daddy. Oh. Yay! Tingnan nyo guys. Parang ano lang ba guys? Oh, parang blazer lang ba siya guys? Kajit lang na. Wait a minute. We have belt. We have to put the belt. Oh. Diba? Cute guys, no? Mas cute pa yan guys pag nalagay na yung belt. Kaya lang ayun yung ilagay. Huh? Sure. Wow. Wow. Ayan guys, oh. Honey, bulingit. Yung nakalagay guys, Little People London. Little People London. Yan guys, oh. Perfect na yung yung length niya guys. Anak! Hoy! Bulingit! Magkaon sa yung cake. Yan guys. So guys, hanggang dito na lang yung vlog natin today guys ha. Kasi si Paris guys umiiyak na, gusto nang matulog guys. Kaya I'll get ready for bed now. But thank you very much for watching guys. I always appreciate your time. And I hope that guys, subscribe naman kayo sa channel natin guys. Para lumaki na itong bahay natin guys. Kasi sobrang liit pa tayo guys. Pero shout out to everyone na nag-comment sa akin sa ating mga videos dyan. Tapos, I hope that you enjoyed today's video, guys, and let me know what you think about Paris's cookies. And yeah, I hope to see you all guys in the next one. Don't forget to be good, and if you can, be careful. Bye!